All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching out still on the matter. Yoruba nation not going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. Yeah, so right now everybody is set for the next plan. My brother, my sister, with what is going on in this country, majority of people have seen it all, that we don't even need to be running away from this country again. With the news that is actually reaching us, with what we are getting, everybody is of the opinion that now we need to fight for ourselves. I stumbled upon a video that happened in South Africa at the immigration center, and then these immigration people were asking the refugees that why is it that you people left your country? Why is it that you left your country to our country, for our country? And then they were of the opinion that they just came to South Africa to earn a living. And then this set of immigration made it clear that, do you know that at a time South Africa was worse than what it is right now? But we fought for South Africa. That is why you people can run from your country to South Africa to say you want to come and earn a living. And then these people were of the opinion that the best thing for you people is to go back to your country and then repair your country. My brother, my sister, this is a very big shame for South Africa, very close country, neighboring country to Nigeria, for this set of people to tell you go back to your country, repair your country, repair your land. Now as you speak, a lot of people, most especially our youth, when you push somebody close to the wall, the person will definitely retaliate. When you push somebody to the wall, the person will retaliate. Teba tiyan kan ògiri ẹni yẹn ó máa padà ni. Wọ́n ní àgbò tó tẹ̀dí mẹ́yìn ọ̀rọ̀ kan tó fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ìlú Ansínre. Now everybody is shouting, everybody is wailing that they are tired of the country. Before you know it, everybody will run and leave the country for them. There is this video that has been going viral. The government of Lagos State wanted to get rechargeable lamp for 3 billion naira. My brother, my sister, who does that? Where is that money coming from? In a situation, in a country whereby everybody is hungry, in a country whereby a paint rubber of Gary, when it was 600, then everybody was crying that they would never allow that to continue. When it was 600 and a paint rubber of Gary, but right now, how much are they selling a paint rubber of Gary? Is now being sold for 4,000 naira. Some places 3,500, some places 5,000 naira. Paint rubber of Gary, depending on the location where you are living. At least, my brother, my sister, you will get a paint rubber of Gary for 3,000 naira compared to when it was 600 naira, where a lot of people were screaming at the top of their voices that they will never allow that to happen. Paint rubber Gary ni 600 naira. Now it is now 4,000 naira. Everybody is looking away. A lot of people are running out of the country. Millions of people are leaving the country on a daily basis, and right now everybody is now like, it's like they want us to now start descending on the leaders. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọba ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ti lajú báyìí pé pé nǹkan tó fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ ń sìn ni pé a gbọ́dọ̀ a máa gba ẹ̀tọ́ wa lọ́wọ́ àwọn olórí wa. Kí ló dé tẹ́ fi ta ilẹ̀ wa fún àwọn Fúlàní? Kí ló dé tẹ́ fi lọ fẹ́ àwọn ọmọ Fúlàní? Somebody made mention of the Oba Oluwo of Iwo, that by the time everybody wakes up, everybody bá jí wọ́n ní pé okay, Oba Oluwo tomati le mú orí ẹ̀, tomati là mọ́ ògiri. My brother, my sister, this is no longer a joke. Everybody is waking up, because now ìwọ lọ fẹ́ àwọn ọmọ Fúlàní, ó dẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ta ilẹ̀ wa fún àwọn Fúlàní, so that tó bá ti di ọjọ́ iwájú àwọn Fúlàní máa gba ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Gbogbo kan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ń sìn, àwọn Fúlàní wọ́n rìn káàkiri, wọ́n parọ́ pé àwọn làwọn ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, pé gbogbo àwọn gómìnà wa pé gádínà lásán ló jẹ́ ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, pé káwọn ṣàfi wọ́n lẹ̀ ná kán máa ṣe nǹkan tán máa ṣe. According to what these people are saying, the Fulani made it clear that all the governors in Yoruba land, that they are all gardeners, that they are just helping them to water their garden. Those things that they are doing, you can imagine. You see all the governors we have in the country, majority of them, what they are after is themselves. Yes, somebody was talking about the dancing governor not quite long, that governor is just there to enjoy himself. Right now everybody has woken up, that say na like this we go dey ṣe ba ṣe ma ware tí gbogbo ẹ̀ ṣe ma dàrú lọ. Now everybody is of the opinion that let us wake up and then follow up these leaders, because if we do not wake up on time, all these people are ready to sell us. In fact, somebody was of the opinion that all the leaders are the one that have sold us to all these Fulani people, that all the people that we voted for, even the ones we did not vote for, that got there by force, they are the ones that are selling us one after the other. All they care about is themselves. Paddy, my family, my brother, my sister. That's exactly what they care about. They don't care about the masses. There is hunger in the land. Every one of them are enjoying themselves, organizing parties. The money, the fund that is supposed to be used for people to live a better life, they diverted everything to themselves. Every now and then you see them dancing on stage. Every now and then you will see them marrying, having parties, forgetting about the people that have not eaten. Everybody is crying, everybody is wailing. What is the need for voting this set of people into government? We voted them in so that there can be peace. There can be peace and tranquility in the country. But what do we gain? What do we see? The only thing they are not thinking of is to change the national anthem. Shey na national anthem na im go make food cheap for the country. Shey na national anthem na im wan take rent house wey we wan dey stay. We want to stay in a house now. The house rent is so exorbitant, meaning they don't want an ordinary man to live happily. They don't want an ordinary man to enjoy a better life. In fact, basic things of life you cannot get. You cannot eat 3 square meals a day simply because we have some leaders that do not care about you. Now all the youth are now of the opinion that I think the best way, the best thing for us right now is to go and meet these people in our numbers and then ask them questions. You know the kind of question. All right, now everybody has woken up. Pé nǹkan tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ ń sìn ni pé gbogbo àwọn tí a pè ní àgbààgbà ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, a máa lọ máa bá wọn lẹ́yọ kọ̀ọ̀kan, a máa gbégi, a máa gbé kùmọ̀, a ó máa là mọ́ wọn lórí níwọ̀n ìgbà tó ti jẹ́ pé àwọn gan wọn ò nífẹ̀ẹ́ wa. Now somebody just made a very strong call. When that man was talking, I was shocked. This man made it clear. He's made it clear that with what is happening in this country, in fact, ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ Yorùbá, ó ní gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nílùú yìí pé àwa la fà á, pé because àwọn tá pè ní olórí wa wọn ò rán wa o, gbogbo bọ́n ṣe ń jí wa gbé wọn kò tẹ̀ sí nǹkan tó kàn wọ́n, tẹ́ bá máa kú kẹ́ kú, nǹkan tó ń ṣe nìyẹn. Pé now nǹkan tó yẹ káwa náà máa ṣe ń sìn ni pé ká gbégi ká gbé kù mọ́, ká dẹ̀ lọ bá wọn, ká dẹ̀ máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní gba ẹ̀tọ́ wa lọ́wọ́ wọn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o, pé ká gbé kù mọ́, ká gbàdá, ká dẹ̀ lọ máa bá wọn lé, ká máa yẹgi fún gbogbo wọn níwọ̀n ìgbà tó ti jẹ́ wípé àwọn náà wọ́n yẹgi fún wa ni. Hey, my brother, my sister, when I heard that, I was like, wow, this is so serious. Now somebody made one strong statement. Ó ní ẹ má gba visa mọ́, ẹ má bá wọn gba visa mọ́ o. Ẹ lè gbọ́dọ̀ sá kúrò nílùú yẹn fún wọn mọ́, because tẹ́ ṣe ń sá kúrò nílùú yẹn fún wọn, gbogbo owó tó wà nílùú yẹn àwọn nìkan ló ń dáná. Inú wọn dùn pé ẹ ń sá kúrò fún wọn. Nísìnyí ẹ má tiẹ̀ gba visa kankan mọ́, ẹ̀tọ́ yín ni kẹ́ lọ gbà lọ́wọ́ wọn, kí gbogbo àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà ká parapọ̀ ká gba ẹ̀tọ́ wa lọ́wọ́ àwọn ará bíi. Bí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́, ṣé bá ṣe máa bá lọ rèé. My brother, my sister, this is another strong one that is actually reaching us. Still on the matter, Yoruba nation no going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take, my people, on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.